If you own a Can-Am Ryker and you're looking to separate your bike from the pack, then our front end body kit by Panther Customs is for you. Panther Customs is a UK-based company that's comprised of a group of talented individuals that normally spend their days designing exterior styling components for some of the most iconic automotive brands in the world. We've been fortunate enough to join forces with this dream team to reinvent the look of the Ryker with a completely new front end and hood design. These components are made from polypropylene plastic and have been injection molded to replace the look and texture of the OE plastics while maintaining the same mounting points and hardware as the original front end. This allows for a seamless integration that takes your Ryker to a whole nother level of wow factor. The replacement hood comes equipped with a Panther emblem to represent the brand and to add that sporty look. We also offer a replacement rear emblem for those of you that would like to keep a uniform look throughout the bike. Now, without further ado, allow our team to walk you through the installation process.
Remove your hood by lifting up on the two plastic locking tabs on each side so that you can slide it forward to remove it. Next, use a T30 Torx wrench to remove the two screws on the underside of your front fascia. Or if your bike came equipped with push pins instead of screws in this location, you can use a push pin removal tool to remove them. Now carefully pull back on one side of the front end to release this plastic tab so that you can unhook the corner of the front fascia from the bike. Then do the same for the other side. Pull back to release the tab and unhook the corner. Then pull forward to completely remove the body panel from the bike. Next, you'll install your new Panther front end by hooking the plastic tab on the corner of the body panel into place. And then do the same for the other side, allowing the plastic lip on the bottom of the front fascia to tuck underneath the radiator. You should have a 3/4 inch to 1 inch gap between these two body panels at this time on both sides of the bike, so that you have enough room to insert the two plastic alignment pins on the fascia through the two rubber grommets on the front of the bike. As you push the panel back and into place, make sure that the plastic tabs on each side of the fascia are aligned and seated properly. Next, reinstall your factory hardware back through the two holes on the underside of your fascia. Again, some of you may have push pins instead of screws in this location. Lastly, reinstall your new hood. The Panther hood uses the same style plastic locking tabs on each side to hold your hood firmly in place.
If stepping up your Ryker game with a new front end from Panther Customs is on your mod list, then head over to slingmods.com today or click the link in the description below to grab a new front end for your Ryker. Make sure to like and subscribe to stay up to date with all the latest and greatest mods for the Ryker. I'm Jen, signing out until next time.